Let's make a pasta bake with smoked pork, such as smoked gammon. We will serve the pasta bake with gherkins. You will need 300 grams of pasta, 350 grams of smoked gammon, 700 milliliters of milk, 5 eggs, salt and pepper, a little bit of lard, and gherkins. Boil the pasta, following the instructions on the pack. Cut the smoked gammon into small pieces. You could use any other type of smoked pork. You don't need to worry about the exact weight. We are using 2 slices of gammon in this video recipe, which is 350 grams of gammon, but you could use a little bit more, or little less. Heat up a pan, add a little bit of lard, and fry the gammon pieces. While the gammon and the pasta are cooking, break 5 eggs into a bowl. Whisk the eggs gently. Add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Whisk in 700 milliliters of milk, with 1 teaspoon of salt. Grease an oven dish with lard. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Once both the pasta and the gammon are cooked, put them inside the oven dish. Stir the pasta to distribute the gammon pieces evenly. Pour in the milk and eggs mixture. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 45 minutes. Once the pasta bake is cooked, cut the pasta bake into large squares. Transfer to a plate while the pasta bake is still hot. Serve with a few gherkins on the side.